Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse, and today we are going to explore the Foundation Piecing Water Pen by Carolina Moore, which will help you remove that paper when you are paper piecing without pulling on your stitches, and it makes it super quick and easy. Now, another way to remove your paper is to use a water pen. So this is Foundation Piecing Water Pen by Carolina Moore, and this is something you should probably put in your sewing room, like ASAP. So this is a kind of a felt tip. You fill this area with water, you put your top back on, and now what I'm going to do is just draw on this seam. So I'm going to draw on the seam, I'm going to set it aside and draw on a second one because I really want that water to absorb right into the paper. And as you can see, it's kind of discolored it a little bit. It's just water. It doesn't hurt anything. Now, when I pull on this paper, it seriously just dissolves the paper. It doesn't pull your stitches. It just makes it, look how easily this comes out. So easy. So easy. I love this water pen. So, and if it dries before you get to it, then just run the water pen on it again. Like if you run into a little bit of harder places, you can use the water pen to just weaken that paper and remove it. The water pen works both for this paper as well as just regular copy paper. So it doesn't have to be this printed special paper, which is already a little thinner. It doesn't have to be. So there we go. So that's how you do half square triangles with this. And I'm still going to hold the end of that seam because I don't want to pull my threads. If there's anything left, we can just grab it. If you've got some tweezers, you can grab those.